Toolbox is opened, the sidebar will show the standard toolset as default. To change this, select the toolset at the bottom of the sidebar and select from the list that appears. Tools that are relevant in more than one subject can be found in multiple locations. For example, measurement tools can be found under the Maths toolset as well as the Science toolset. In addition, the cursor, pen, eraser, and handwriting recognition tools can be found in every toolset. Across the top of the sidebar, you have File, Edit, and Settings. These will constantly be available no matter what toolset you are using and provides you the standard functionalities including Save, Undo, and Language settings. Just below these, you'll see the drawing tools available to you. A lot of them you may be familiar with and some may be new, so let's start at the top. You have the cursor tool that gives you your standard functionality of a mouse, and you have your pencil tool that allows you to write and annotate on the screen. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, a new menu appears that allows you to change the color of your pencil, the thickness, and the opacity. Next, you have your selection tool that gives you the ability to select a large group of objects at once to move or even delete them, and the handwriting functionality converts your handwritten annotations to text. The next row of tools offers you an array of lines and arrows you can draw with, and as mentioned earlier, the ability to amend their properties, including the color, thickness, and opacity, can be found on the bottom of the screen menu. Next to this is the always handy eraser, allowing you to wipe away annotations that you just don't need anymore. Below this, we have the text box. This allows you to type any lesson content or instructions for activities to be completed. Just click on the icon and as it says, start typing. From here, you can then change the font, size, color, and other properties with the menu which appears on the bottom of the screen again. The Shape tool allows you to create perfect circles, squares, and triangles extremely simply. There is also the Free Shapes button where you can draw any shape with as many sides as you like and whichever angles you desire. And you also have the Shape Recognition tool. Just like real life, the highlighter tool allows you to highlight key parts of your content. Again, pick the color you would like and the thickness to personalize it. The Media Gallery allows you to bring media into your lesson. You can use either the pre-installed images that come within the software, or you can go into your documents and locate what you are looking for. Once you've brought in your media, you can then rearrange and resize whatever you have brought in. The window shade functionality allows you to reveal lesson content as and when you wish, and the flashlight allows you to bring focus onto one specific area of your lesson content. The magnifying tool will magnify anything on the screen that it is placed over and can be resized by dragging the resize button. Select the keyboard icon to bring up your keyboard when using the text toolbox, and your undo and redo buttons are located here at your convenience. The clear screen tools will remove what is on the screen retrospectively. The clear screen icon will remove all objects that are on that slide. The clear annotations will remove pen and highlighter objects. And the reset slide is ideal for pre-saved lessons, so any annotations made after opening will be reverted to the original slide you opened with. Within Capture Tools, you have an array of ways to save and import different media types, like importing audio, screen recording, screen capturing, and media recording. At the bottom is a slide management area that displays the name, the thumbnails of the current content you have created. To change the name of the lesson, simply select it and edit as required. Slides can be reordered by pressing and holding a thumbnail for 1 second and dragging it to the required location. A glowing outline indicates that the slide is ready to be moved, and a bar will appear to indicate where it will be inserted. To load a slide directly, click on the corresponding thumbnail. Additional tools to manipulate slides are located at the bottom of the slide management area. The ability to navigate backwards and forwards through the slides can be done via the forwards and backwards arrows. The plus button allows you to add brand new slides, and the trash can icon allows you to delete a slide. To select a new background, click on the Backgrounds tab, where you will then be taken to the Background selection area. From here, You can then choose various lined backgrounds for teaching letter formation, grid backgrounds for mathematical and scientific usage, and an array of colourful backgrounds, including autism-friendly variants. The selected background will be automatically applied for all new slides until another background is chosen. Backgrounds for existing slides can be changed at any point. Navigate to the required slide and select a new background.